Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best underwater fishing cameras is probably one of the most exciting and innovative tools for modern anglers, offering an unparalleled view of the underwater realm, transforming your fishing experience from a game of chance to a strategic pursuit. With crystal-clear visuals and advanced features, these cameras empower you to precisely target fish, analyze underwater terrain, and ultimately, increase your catch rate, making every fishing trip more productive and enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, an underwater fishing camera is a game-changer. Number 5. Eyoyo Underwater Fishing Camera. It features a 7-inch color TFT screen with a sun visor, ensuring sharp visuals even in bright sunlight. This makes it perfect for lake or ice fishing, offering ease of use for any angler. With a 1000 TVL chip, it delivers sharp image clarity and vibrant colors. It's a great tool for underwater photography and capturing memorable fishing moments. 12 infrared lights provide excellent visibility in dark or murky water. These lights automatically switch to black and white for enhanced contrast, making it an effective fish finder, even at night. The robust battery box provides stable power for long fishing trips. Its portable design makes it ideal for various fishing environments. The 4500 mAh rechargeable battery offers up to 8 hours of continuous use. Enjoy uninterrupted performance during extended fishing sessions and underwater exploration. What we like. It boasts a large, clear screen for excellent visibility, even in sunlight. The high-resolution camera ensures crisp underwater images. If you need a reliable camera with great low-light performance for various fishing conditions, this is the one for you. What people say. The camera's image quality is outstanding. It captures crystal-clear footage of the underwater environment, allowing me to observe fish behavior, identify different species, and locate potential hotspots. The camera's design is both durable and user-friendly. It is built to withstand the rigors of underwater use, with a sturdy construction that ensures longevity. The compact and portable design makes it easy to carry and deploy, allowing me to explore various fishing spots effortlessly. One of the standout features of this underwater fishing camera is its real-time viewing capability. With a convenient display screen, I can instantly see what the camera is capturing, eliminating the guesswork and enhancing my fishing strategy. Number 4. Eyoyo Underwater Fishing Camera. See crystal-clear images of fish swimming by on this large display. The removable sun visor helps in bright conditions. It offers a clear view even in low light. Perfect for early mornings or evening ice fishing, it illuminates dark waters. Save every catch in HD with the included 8GB TF card. Relive and share your fishing adventures. The 4500 mAh battery provides 6 to 8 hours of continuous use. Enjoy uninterrupted fishing from sunrise to sunset. It's built to withstand tough conditions. Fish deeper with confidence knowing it's fully protected. This camera is portable and easy to use, making it perfect for ice fishing, boat fishing, and lake fishing. What we like. This model features an even larger screen for improved viewing. Its DVR function lets you record and save your underwater adventures. If you want to record and relive your fishing experiences, this is perfect for you. What people say. This camera captures clear underwater footage day or night, in clear and murky conditions. The camera housing and lens are substernal and tough. The carrying case is durable and the entire kit is extremely portable, and the 9-video screen makes watching footage live or in playback mode easy for all. The picture is color, 9-inch, and it's the clearest of any camera I've ever used. The carrying case is also very convenient, takes up very little space compared to other cameras, and will protect the camera during travel either on or off the ice. The record function on the camera is freaking awesome. It records an image way better than I thought I would be able to get. It can take snapshots or video. Number 3. Aqua-Vu AV 715C. See beneath the surface like never before with the Aqua-Vu AV 715C. Its high-resolution color screen and long cable let you explore underwater worlds with ease. It boasts a large, 7-inch LCD monitor, providing a crystal-clear view of your surroundings. The vibrant color display ensures you won't miss a detail. This underwater camera system comes with a 50-foot cable, giving you extensive reach to explore deeper waters. The new XD camera housing is designed for easy adjustments and compatibility with accessories. Experience unparalleled clarity with its OptiRx lens. It's designed for ultimate underwater visibility, ensuring you see everything clearly. It includes a long-lasting 12V7A battery and charger, keeping you powered up for extended underwater exploration. Enjoy hours of uninterrupted viewing. The convenient custom storage bag fits neatly into a 5-gallon bucket, making transportation and storage a breeze. It's ready for your next adventure. What we like. It offers superior image clarity thanks to its high-quality lens. The extra-long cable allows you to explore deeper waters. If you prioritize image quality and exploration range, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Pros: price, quality, ease of use, battery life, size, carry case, picture quality, ability to really look at structure and identifying fish actually down there and not just guessing at what kind of fish and structure your sonar screen is showing you. Bought this item expecting it to be bad quality and not work as advertised. It has a great underwater image on it, durable and compact. It has helped me find what the finicky fish want or are interested in and what they just swim right by. Battery lasted me 8 hours plus of constantly being on all day and is easy to plug in and charge after a long day of fishing. This is a really nice underwater camera especially for ice fishing. When received it had a broken corner on the base which was resolved immediately. Great service. Number 2. Eyoyo Underwater Fishing Camera. It offers a full 360 degrees horizontal view of your fishing spot. Its stable design ensures clear images, even in moving water. Watch the underwater world in real time on its large 9-inch LCD screen. See fish movements and bites clearly with the high-resolution camera. It features 18 infrared lights for crystal clear black and white images, even in dark water. Adjust the lights as needed for optimal visibility. Enjoy 6 to 8 hours of continuous use on a single charge. It's perfect for all-day fishing trips. This camera is great for various fishing environments, whether you're ice fishing, lake fishing, or sea fishing. It's built for any fishing enthusiast. What we like. This camera provides a complete, panoramic view of your fishing spot. The increased number of IR lights ensures superior visibility in dark conditions. If you need a wide view and excellent low-light performance, this is the one for you. What people say. The video recording along with the 360-degree panning ability and ease of use makes this a keeper. It all comes in a nice and efficient carrying case. This product has an excellent screen image and quality is very good. I've used it once and I was very pleased with the way it picked up underwater. Everything written in the review is clear and the product stands up to its description. Setting up the Eyoyo Underwater Fishing Camera 360 was very easy and I'm very pleased with the quality of the item and the case it comes in is very good. The 360 camera that you can control and rotate is so helpful. I found everything easy to set up and use almost instantly as well. They really make this camera pretty foolproof. All cords are clearly labeled, you have plenty of length of cords as well for the camera. Even the case the camera comes in is a well-protected case with carrying handle. Picture quality is wonderful and can easily see even down in the deepest of lakes. Number 1. Hilitand Fish Finder Kit. This kit makes underwater fishing easier than ever. It's portable and easy to use, so you can explore the depths with confidence. See the underwater world in stunning clarity on its large, high-resolution screen. You'll also be able to monitor the battery life right there. 6 bright white LEDs illuminate the area around the camera, ensuring you get a clear view even in murky water. The lights are designed to prevent water damage. Its wide viewing angle lets you see more of the underwater landscape. You can also adjust the camera's angle for optimal viewing. Enjoy up to 8 hours of continuous use on a single charge. The high-capacity battery is designed for safety and longevity. Everything you need is included: camera, monitor, cables, brackets, and a handy carrying bag. A detailed manual is also provided. What we like. It's compact and portable, ideal for anglers on the go. The wide viewing angle lets you see more of the underwater environment. If you are looking for a portable and easy-to-use camera with a wide field of vision, this is a great option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.